Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by launching Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security as an administrator. This gives you full control over rules. Once the console is open, choose Inbound Rules in the left pane so you can add a new entry. Make sure you decide the rule scope up front, whether it applies to any IP, a single address, or a subnet, because that choice affects security. Now click New Rule on the right to start the wizard and pick the rule type. Now you configure the detailed options in the new Inbound Rule wizard so the rule behaves correctly. Select the type, program, port, predefined, or custom, and if you pick port, specify TCP or UDP and enter a single port or a range like 1024-2048. Once done, choose the action, allow the connection for trusted services, or block to deny. Make sure to pick the correct profiles next because domain, private, and public determine where the rule applies. Complete the wizard by giving the rule a clear name and optional description so you or others understand the purpose later. After you finish, test the connection from a client or locally. If it works, you're done. If it fails, check that the target service is listening on the expected port and that the rule's profile matches the network type. Also inspect firewall logs and event viewer for blocked connections and resolve any conflicting rules so the inbound traffic is permitted.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.